Good morning, friends. Disclaimer: this video is for education purpose only, no copyright infringement. This copyright belongs to its rightful owner. Credit goes to respective online video composers, teacher, institute, and speakers, as well as video music composers and singers. I welcome you all on behalf of Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's SSGM College Kopargaon, Faculty of Commerce and Management. Second year BCom, semester 3rd, 2020 CBCS pattern. Business communication subject. I, Dr. Vijay Nikam, is going to discuss about business letters. In last 3 lectures, we learn about objectives, meaning of business letter, importance of business letter, quality or essential of good business letter, physical appearance, paper size, envelope, layout of business letter. So today we are going to learn about layout of business letter, heading, business addresses, salutation, body of the business letter, complimentary clause, signature, reference initial, enclosures, copy distributed, postscript. So today I am having one format of business letter, so I am going to discuss about that format. It is published business letter, so we can have one overview directly. So this is one business letter you are able to observe here. See, mechanical structure or parts of a letter, heading. So here you are able to see the heading. How should be the heading is recorded. So here Proficient Foods, that's name of company, heading 8, main market, comma mg road, comma New Delhi. So full stop and dots are very much important in written communication. The good format, simple format, and nice looking format they used for the font as a font for giving the information about company name. So heading, this was heading, date is mentioned on the business letter, March 8, 2020, inside Kothari General Stores. Inside means to whom we are sending the letter. Address 6 Silver Street, comma Madras. So here salutation, after that salutation means that both person are working on same designation, same level, and they are having same age, so they can mention dear sir. As a student, if you are writing application to an employee, that you are student right now and employee is bigger than you in age, so and experience, so you have to use respected sir. But when you are writing letter to any student for business, you have to use dear student. Okay, like that in company they are working on same level and they are sending business letter, they both are on same status, so you have to mention dear sir. Okay, opening paragraph. So in opening paragraph you have to uh, mention some stuff in less words. So, opening paragraph. In this letter, they are having food company and they are offering their products to Kothari General Stores owner, and they are having they are giving some detail in short. You will be pleased to learn from, see the opening paragraph. You will be pleased to learn from the enclosed catalog about our proficient squashes prepared from good quality fresh fruit in the most hygienic conditions. So here they are saying they are having proficient squashes and catalog is enclosed. So catalog or brochure is enclosed with the letter. Prepared from good quality fresh fruit means they are saying we are having good product which is made by good fruit, fresh quality fruits in the most hygienic conditions. They are maintaining hygienic in this, in their company, that is going to space here, means that is described here. They are available in 6 delicious varieties. So they are having flavors in 6 varieties: lemon squash, lemon berry, mango squash, pineapple crush, orange squash, and lime juice cordial. So this kind of 6 variety of flavor is available with them, and they are offering this kind of product which is made by fresh fruit, quality fruit. They are offering to the Kothari General Stores. So this is about opening para, and the main body. This is body. So body, see in body space. These days when aerated waters look so much beyond one's pocket, your customers will just love to switch over to these sparkling, scintillating squashes. So scintillating squashes. So they can get as many as 15 nutritious and refreshing glasses from every bottle. So you see there is economy in them and there is taste too. So here in the main body they are presenting their main purpose. Bottles, mineral water bottles are made expensive nowadays. So you sell customer squashes, they will get in lesser price and they will have taste, flavor and nutritious too. So you refer our product to your customer, they are saying. Closing paragraph. Next one is closing paragraph. Please read this paragraph. You have always been satisfied with our jams, pickles. You will be more satisfied with our squashes. Full stop. You get these squashes on the same terms and condition as our jams and pickles. Full stop. Summer is ahead and you can have brisk sale, means big sale. A bulk order of 20 dozen or more. See this, bulk order of 20 dozen or more earns you an additional discount of 3%. We shall be looking forward to your response. See, they are motivating them to make big order, and they had given 3% discount too. This is the main paragraph or closing paragraph of this letter. So the things what we had learned about business letter, what kind of language we have to use, how clearly thought we have to present in front of receiver, that is all cleared here. Complimentary clause, yours sincerely, you have to give some compliment to them. You have to show that you are sincere towards them, and whatever business deal will happen in future, for that they are sincere. That you have to mention in complimentary clause, that you are sincere. After that, signature, Proficient Food managing proprietor, designation and reference initial means YPBNJ so and so, you can mention, and enclosed here with a catalog. In last, that is not captured here. In last, you have to state that enclosed herewith. Okay. So you are able to see here the whole format. Complimentary clause, signature, Proficient Food managing director, reference initial, give numbers of reference, enclosures, enclosed catalog here. So see the whole letter. Proficient Foods, heading, date, insights, address, salutation, opening paragraph, body, closing paragraph, complimentary clause, signature and reference enclosures. So this kind of all the details are given in this letter, and always you keep in mind, whatever business letter you are sending to person, you have to maintain this kind of sequence, which is scientifically proven and which is following the norms of letter writing. So thank you students. Please like, share, subscribe my video and press bell icon for the for notification when I will add video. Automatically you are came to know it. So thank you students.